Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best no-dealing desk Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. No-dealing desk Forex brokers provide traders with direct access to the interbank market without intervention from a dealing desk. They use electronic communication networks or straight-through processing to execute trades, ensuring faster order execution, reduced requotes, and lower spreads. NDD brokers typically make money through spreads or commissions rather than manipulating prices, offering a more transparent and fair trading environment. This type of brokerage is preferred by professional traders and scalpers who require deep liquidity and competitive pricing. Traders who are searching for some of the best no-dealing desk Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best no-dealing desk Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best no-dealing desk Forex brokers, we have XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary XStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, XStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, XStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. And those are some of the top 5 best no-dealing desk Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.